Welcome, eager viewers, to NFT Empire. Today, we tackle the question that has been on everyone's minds: how can one achieve wealth through the use of NFTs? Before we dive into the possibilities, it is essential to remember that NFT Empire is not a financial advisor. Investing in non-traditional securities comes with significant risks, so proceed at your own peril. In this episode, we'll explore the factors you should consider before embarking on your journey to wealth with NFTs and their associated technologies. So, let's delve into the world of NFTs and uncover the potential it holds for your financial aspirations. Things to think about before investing in NFTs: what are your objectives? How much money do you need to consider yourself wealthy, and how much time are you willing to dedicate to achieving this goal? Before diving into the pursuit of wealth through NFTs, it's crucial to assess if there are alternative ways to attain the same level of satisfaction you associate with being wealthy. Consider simple actions like paying off your bills and reducing unnecessary expenses. I understand it may not be the answer you want to hear, but it's worth contemplating before embarking on the journey to wealth via NFTs. It's important to recognize that someone earning $300,000 per year may have a similar quality of life to someone earning $30,000 per year, depending on their spending habits. Conversely, someone earning $30,000 per year may experience a more peaceful and stress-free life if they have no debt or unnecessary expenses. My argument is this: if you struggle to effectively manage $30,000, how can you expect to handle $300,000 or even $3 million? It becomes increasingly challenging. Once you have honestly and realistically answered these crucial questions and resolved any underlying issues, you can begin contemplating a strategy to accumulate wealth through NFTs. When considering how to generate substantial earnings with NFTs, it's vital to be transparent and honest with yourself and anyone else who may be affected by your actions. Are your primary goals focused solely on earning a substantial amount of money through NFTs? Alternatively, do you aspire to establish your own NFT-based company and build a thriving and fulfilling career for yourself? Before embarking on the path to wealth with NFTs, it's crucial to recognize that there's much more to it than just the NFT itself. It involves addressing various challenges, finding solutions, and committing to daily efforts towards your goals. It's important to acknowledge that achieving significant wealth through NFTs requires considerable time, dedication, and patience, a feat that many people may never accomplish in their lifetimes. Being realistic about your objectives and taking consistent small steps each day towards achieving them will distinguish you from those who merely wish for wealth without strategic planning and proactive execution. Acquiring wealth is not an easy feat, and obtaining it through NFTs can be even more challenging. It is especially true if you lack a comprehensive understanding of the potential and capabilities of NFTs, as well as the recognition that it's the individuals behind the technology, not just the fact that it's an NFT, that gives it value. Now that we've addressed these important points, let's delve into how you can achieve wealth by utilizing NFTs as your chosen vehicle. Methods to make money using NFTs. Buying and selling NFTs. One of the primary ways to profit from NFTs is by purchasing them at a lower price and selling them at a higher price, taking advantage of the demand and market fluctuations. Creating and selling NFTs. If you have artistic or creative skills, you can create your own NFTs and sell them on various NFT marketplaces. This allows you to monetize your digital artwork, collectibles, music, or other digital creations. Participating in NFT drops and auctions. Keep an eye out for exclusive NFT drops and auctions where you can acquire limited edition or highly sought-after NFTs. By acquiring them at a reasonable price, you can later sell them for a potentially higher value. Investing in NFT projects and platforms. Research and identify promising NFT projects, platforms, or marketplaces that show potential for growth. By investing in these projects early on, you can potentially benefit from their success as the NFT ecosystem expands. Renting or licensing NFTs. If you own valuable NFTs, you can explore opportunities to rent or license them to others for a fee. This allows you to generate income while still retaining ownership of the NFT. Tips for using NFTs to become rich. Remember, the NFT market can be volatile and speculative. It's essential to do thorough research, understand the risks involved, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Before seeking additional income, it's important to consider strategies to reduce your current expenses. Pay off any outstanding debts and prioritize financial education. Avoid letting emotions cloud your judgment. Focus on investing in people and brands that align with your values rather than solely chasing monetary gains. Pursue endeavors that you genuinely enjoy, not just those that promise the highest returns. Create a budget to manage your finances effectively. Never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Instead, determine a specific amount you are willing to risk in pursuit of greater earnings. Diversify your investment portfolio to mitigate risks and increase potential opportunities. Maintain a humble mindset and continually seek knowledge in your financial journey. Support and uplift others who are on a similar path as you. Remember, success is not only about personal gain but also about contributing to the success of others. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of wealth generation through NFTs. As we conclude, remember that the path to financial success is not without risks and challenges. It requires careful planning, continuous learning, and disciplined decision-making. At NFT Empire, we encourage you to approach NFTs and investing with a realistic mindset, always considering your own financial situation and goals. Seek knowledge, diversify your strategies, and support others on their journeys. We wish you the best of luck as you navigate the world of NFTs and strive for financial prosperity. Remember, your journey towards wealth is as unique as the NFTs themselves.